Hi everyone, I'm Tara and this is my 2007 BMW 335i hardtop convertible. Today I'll show you how I maintain the convertible roof, which is by lubricating the rubber seals and some of the other little moving parts. Okay, so the product you need for your rubber seals is called Gummi Pflege. Hopefully I said that right. I did live in Germany for 3 years. It literally means rubber care. I ordered mine from ECS Tuning and it comes with its own little sponge applicator on top.
First, I clean the rubber seals by wiping them with a damp cloth. Then simply apply the Gummi Pflege on all the black rubbery parts.
The other moving parts, such as the little hinges, I bought Croil oil. This one is called Cano Aero Croil, which I bought from Amazon.
Spray the Croil penetrating oil on the hinges to lubricate them. Open and close the roof to see the moving joints. My roof recently started creaking, so this is what it sounded like before I lubed the rubber today. And after applying the Gummi Pflege, the squeaking sound was totally gone. Yay!
So that's it. Try to do this every year to keep your top in good shape. Thanks for watching.